Hello, I am Anthony Amaya and thank you for viewing our prototype app. In this short presentation, I'll walk you through what went well in our project, one area we can improve, and agility principle we applied. I'll also demo the app so you can see how it works. What went well? One thing that went really well was our collaboration during sprint planning and daily scrums. Second, clear backlog items written as user stories. Third, consistent delivery of working increments. And fourth, team alignment improve app evolution. And also, for recommendation for improvement, an area we identified for improvement was our project schedule. First, um, the issue. Sprint timelines were too tight, so um, the impact of it is developers work long hours, risking burnout and reduced quality. So, recommendations for that is to, in the future sprint planning, we should include at least a 10% buffer in the schedule. This will give us flexibility to handle unexpected blockers without compromising quality or team well-being. Agile principle learned. A key agile principle we learned was the importance of continuous stakeholder feedback. By involving stakeholders early and often, we gain valuable insights that shape the app to better meet user needs. This reinforced that agile is not just about speed but about delivering value through collaboration and transparency. So feedbacks to improve alignment with stakeholder expectations. That's the key. That and that's what I learned the principle. Since our app is managed directly in Jira, I'll show you the backlog items that represents its features. Each item is written as a user story with clear acceptance criteria. For example, here's the workout tracking story linked to our fitness epic. And here's another item for our daily motivation quote to boost engagement by organizing and prioritizing these items. We delivered increments like the progress dashboard smoothly. This backlog view shows how Agile help us structure our work and adapt based on stakeholder feedback. Conclusion. In summary, our project benefited from strong collaboration, but we need to improve our scheduling to make it more sustainable. Applying agile principles like continuous feedback help us align the app with stakeholders' expectations and deliver meaningful increments. Thank you for your support and I look forward to your feedback. Thank you.